Transform your online presence in minutes with the power of artificial intelligence. And I'm about to show you exactly how. This is 10web's AI Website Builder, your ultimate tool for creating a stunning, fully functional website without needing to be a coding wizard. Let's dive straight in. The first step is simple. Click Create Website. Now, tell the AI what your website is for. I'm thinking of an online gardening store, so I'll input online gardening store. The AI then gets to work, analyzing your input and starting to formulate a design and structure tailored to your needs. Instantly, you'll be presented with a selection of beautifully designed templates. Browse through these options, each crafted by the AI to fit your stated purpose. Found one you like? Fantastic. Now, let's refine the content. The AI can help you generate text, suggest images, and even organize your information. Simply input keywords or descriptions and watch as the AI crafts compelling product descriptions, engaging about us text, and more. You can easily edit anything the AI provides, making it truly yours. Need to add specific sections? The AI understands common website elements. Add product galleries, customer testimonials, or contact forms with just a few clicks, and the AI will ensure they integrate seamlessly. And there you have it, a fully functional, professionally designed website generated by AI. But 10web doesn't stop there. 10web also handles the hosting and domain connection, simplifying the entire process from concept to launch. You get a robust, secure, and fast website, all managed within one intuitive platform. So, if you're ready to build a breathtaking website without the technical headaches, give 10web's AI Website Builder a try. Your online success story starts here.